Okay, let's go.
I'm just not lying. I look on your face. You got something to say. Okay. Just to clarify, are you talking to me? Used to lie. 'Cause I don't take no bullshit. You want to fuck with me? If you go and tell it, first you tell it from the ground. I don't take no bullshit. You want to fuck with me? If you go and tell it, first you tell it from the ground. My look on your face, you nothing to say. Okay. See myself drowning in your sorrow. You want to dwell on yesterday, but I don't.
Okay, that's gonna do it. All right then. I wanted to make this a real live, everyday carry video, so I did. This is my going to town outfit. Yes, for real. This is what I wear when I go to town. Just came back from town. Got my hunting and fishing license. Got some groceries. Checked on some other things. And it is actually quite normal to run into people who look like me in North Dakota. This is the real me. This is what you'll see out on the street. This is what I wear. Usually a hot weather jacket if it's in the summertime. Of course, in the wintertime, we got all kinds of jackets on in the wintertime up here. And there you have it. What's under that jacket is everything I might need. Flashlights, tools, other types of tools, these types of tools right here, this little tool right here. We do have constitutional carry in this state. Like I've said on other videos, I believe in federal constitution carry, so it's above and beyond anything that the state would allow me to do. And if they don't allow me to do it, well, they're committing treason. Anyway, that's a whole different set of videos. A little bit of everyday carry for you there. So yeah, spur of the moment, I recognized a threat, put my hand out, said, stop, don't even think about it. We'll put a true flight into the threat to soften that threat up. Maybe center punch that threat with a .22 long rifle. Okay. And then you saw me come out with the chaos. And be ready to take care of business that way. So it can be effective. Got to train it hard. Be able to just walk into a situation like that. Throw your jacket back, go for a blade, go for a bullet dispensing device to back the threat up away from you. All right, I'm Dead Wolf. We'll have this kind of fun on the next one. I got a couple little update videos I did today. Showed a nice, beautiful lake and little campground on one of them, like I've done in the past. And then a little bit of road trip with the Olds 98. Just a fun music video. So I'll upload those two right after this. All right, y'all take care out there. Cousins and friends, will have this kind of fun on the next one. I am Dead Wolf, a.k.a. the Good Devil, and I'm out.